Hey guys, this is Ivy God okra fry, and it's easy to make. Let's see how to make this delicious Ivy God fry. So this Ivy God and lady's finger is very good for health. So let's see how to make this. To make Ivy God and okra fry, first we have to roast the spices. See, we have some few spices here, like half teaspoon of, see, the crushed fenugreek, the fennel seed, cumin seed, pepper, and poppy seed, and black grams, and chana dal, and coriander seeds. So coriander seed is 1 tablespoon. This chana dal 2 teaspoon, and black gram 2 teaspoon. All other ingredients are half teaspoons. So these are the ingredient. We have to roast it, dry roast and powder it. Let's go. So now I have powdered all the spices. I dry roasted it and powdered it. So we'll use it for the ivy god and okra fry. So let's go and see how to make it. So I have added the ivy gods and lady finger. Let it fry both sides. So in the meantime, after it got fried both sides, I'm going to add salt. You should not add salt before this because it will be soggy. So the okra and ivy god is fried enough, and I add a little 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for the color. So now I'm going to add the powder we made from the spices initially. I'm going to add it, and let's see how it is. So this okra and ivy god is fried in one side. I just tossed it and let it fry on the other side. In the meantime, I add a little bit of turmeric powder, and so let it fry the other side also. So the ivy god and okra fry is ready to eat. So it's ready to serve. So before that, we spray some lemon juice on top of it for extra taste. So if you don't have poppy seeds, or you can use sesame seeds. I don't have sesame seeds, so I used poppy seeds for making the roasted spice powder. So after adding the roasted spice powder, it looked like this. It's nicely cooked. It tastes awesome. Try this at home and let me know your thoughts in comment section. Thank you guys.